Teepublic tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you about Teepublic and everything you need to know about this awesome website. So basically this website is an on-demand website where you can create your very own products of your very own design. So as you can see down below, we have some of these editor pick designs. So as you can see, these are very cool designs. Actually, these are some of very talented people over here. So we can make shirts, we can make mugs, we can make masks, we can make home goods, we can make kids apparel, we can make other things as well. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just get on with the video. And the first thing that I want you guys to do is sign up on this website. So to sign up on this website, all you have to do is click on the sign up button top left corner over here, right next to the search bar. Click on sign up, and over here all you have to do is enter in some of your details, such as your first name, last name, your email address, your country, your password, or you can just simply auto sign up with Facebook. So I'm just gonna go ahead, enter in all the details, and I will catch you guys later once I've created my account. So once you're signed up on this website, they will ask you to verify your email that they've sent to your account. So just simply go over to your email and click on the verification button, and we can move on to the next part of this video. So once you've created an account on Teepublic and you've logged in, the next thing that you want to do is come over here to your account and click on upload a design. So the first thing that I'm going to tell you about is how you can become a seller. So click on upload a design, and over here you're going to be asked, if you're new here, and to enter in the name of your store. So enter in the name of your store, and then just simply click on take me to the uploader, and over here all you have to do is upload a specific design of your product. So click on upload and then select the picture that you are most comfortable with using as your design. So I'm going to pick this image over here, which is the Cat King. Wait for it to upload, and once it's uploaded, as you can see, this is how it basically will look like. So as you can see, our design is large enough, but it doesn't really affect anything, so we can keep on continuing it. So the next thing that you want to do is enter in the title of your design. So write the name of your design, King Cat. Basically you have to enter in the one main tag that you want to use for your product. So enter in cat. So that is going to be the tag of your product. So, and then you have to enter in a small description of your product, of your design. So enter in a small description and you will be good to go. So the next thing that you want to do is you have to use commas to separate tags. So the next thing you want to do is enter in small tag and make sure you use commas to separate them. So these are these are some of the tags that are associated with our main tag. So keep that in mind, guys. Whatever your main tag is, the supporting tags will be of the same category. So we have cats, we have king, we have animal, we have kitten, we have furry, and that's basically it. These were some of the some of the descriptions that we needed to add to make our product pop up and not be a bland like other products, to stand out basically. So the next thing that we want to do is add all the products that we want to select, all the products that we want to select. So we have t-shirts, we have selected them, we can select different colors. So let's just select black. So we have the option of print front or print back, or print on front or back. So for hoodies, let's just select, so for tank tops we have crew necks. So as you can see, we have a lot of different options over here as to sell as a product. So we have t-shirts, we have hoodies, we have tank tops, we have crew necks, we have long sleeve, baseball tees, kids hoodies, and many more. We also have the option to scale our design. So let's just scale it up a bit, and that's how it will look like. Or we can simply just use the tools to align it into the center, and that's basically it. And then we have the option of choosing the color of our product. So if you want to choose specific colors, then you can choose these from this palette over here, or if you want to keep all the colors, then just simply let them all be, no need to select them. And at the bottom right here we have some of the different categories of our products. So we have apparel, we have stickers, cases, mugs, wall arts, and other things. So just simply select the product that you don't want to sell. So I don't want to sell magnets or pins. though I do want to sell wall art, so let's just select that. And the next thing that we want to do is I have read all and agree to all the terms and services, and the next thing that I want you guys to do is to simply click on publish. Oh, looks like we missed a thing. Does this design contain mature content such as nudity or other adult themes? No, this does not. And then just simply click on publish, and you must choose a default color for the baseball tees. Okay, so let's just select black and white, or white and black. I think that looks much better. So the next thing that we want to do is just simply click on publish. Hopefully we got everything this time, and it looks like we did. Simply click on publish. That is basically it. Now we have our products available on this website. Basically it's going over for $20, but for the first couple of days for the seller period it will be available for $13, which means that our commission will also be less. And we also have the option of deactivating the product. We can set the product for male and female. We have our size over here, we have our prices, we have the seller period over here, other products over here, and that is basically it. So the next thing that I want you guys to do is come over to your account, click on account, and over here as you can see we have a lot of different things going on. So over here you have to set up a payment method through which you will get your own payments from. So you can either choose your PayPal or Payoneer, doesn't really matter, just simply choose whichever one, add in your ID of that specific payment method, and then just simply click on save, and then whenever someone makes a sale, and you will get your commission onto that platform. And the next thing that I want you guys to do is come over to edit my storefront, and over here what I want you guys to do is basically add a few other details that is going to help your product stand out. So over here we have a lot of different things going on. So we have some store details over here. We have a store URL slug. So basically if anyone wants to come over to the store, this is the one that they'll use. And we have a brief bio that we can also use to let your art do the talking. We have location over here, but this is the main thing that I wanted to show you guys. This is the social links, so that you get a better promotion of your products, so that you can change all of it. You can add in your Instagram page, you can add in your YouTube page, your Twitter, your Tumblr, your Twitch, whatever social media platforms you choose. You can just simply add in the links over here, and then it will help you get a better reach of people. And the next thing that I want you guys to do is come over to account settings, and over here as you can see we can change our name of our store. Just simply change the name of the store, and down below we have the option of deactivating my account, and you can even have a select a reason for that as well. So you can just simply deactivate your account. But before I end this video there, I want to show you guys something. Come over to your account over here and click on storefront, and over here this is how your profile is going to be. So if you want to stand out and be a professional seller, all you have to do is make your profile a bit more in the zone, a bit more professional basically. So what I would suggest is you upload your new icon, your profile picture, add a amazing background for your store, and that will make it look professional, that will make it pop up, that will basically make it different from all the other stores. And that is basically it. Please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the post notification guys. And having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, goodbye.